Minasan, hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japan YouTube channel. Friends, are you looking for a work in Japan? If yes, then this is for you. So under the specified skilled worker SSW category of visa, one can go to Japan and work there in some specific fields. And to provide all the details and all the detailed information about this process, the Embassy of Japan at New Delhi is going to organize a free online seminar, that is a free webinar on the 29th of October 2025 and also on the 31st of January 2026. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to register for that free webinar. And yes, it is absolutely free. Anyone can join that webinar and even ask questions, but you have to register through a QR code that they have provided. So I will take you through the notification that the embassy has published on their website so that you know all the details about how to register for the webinar. So before we go into that, let's take a quick look at what is basically this SSW. SSW visa. SSW stands for Specified Skilled Worker. In Japanese, they call it Tokutei Gino. Specified skilled worker, it is a basically it is a status of residence in Japan created for foreign nationals who wish to work in Japan. This was introduced in April 2019. That means not uh, it's not a very old one. It's just 6 years ago by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan, and its purpose is to allow foreign nationals with certain skills to fill the labor shortages in Japan in specific sectors of the industry. Japan and India signed a memorandum of cooperation, that is MOC, in January 2021 to implement this with Indian workers. So there is a lot of possibility if you are qualified in those specific trades or those specific sectors where there is labor shortage and which satisfies this SSW category, then you should be able to apply for this visa provided you have the other eligibility criteria met. So this seminar is all about discussing all of these. So they will be providing you up-to-date information regarding everything you want to know about this SSW. There are basically two types of status of residence of a specified skilled worker. It is SSW1 and SSW2. At present, SSW1 allows people to work in 16 fields and SSW2 allows people to work in 11 fields with nursing care, automobile transportation, business, railway, forestry and wood industry excluded. More information and further details related to everything about SSW visa and the Japan immigration process, the Embassy of Japan in New Delhi is going to organize a free online seminar, that is a webinar, and all interested people may join it if interested. So I will break out from this presentation and I will take you through the Japanese embassy website. So let's go and take a look at the embassy website, what they have published. So this is the Embassy of Japan in India. So you can see here, this notification was published on the 22nd of September and it read Specified Skilled Worker System Information Seminars. So let's click on this and let's see what information it provides us. Let me make it little bigger. So hosted by the Immigration Services Agency of Japan. If you want to work in Japan, this is for you. Specified Skilled Worker System Information Seminars. Learn more about the status of residence of specified skilled worker, which allows foreign nationals to work in Japan. So the date and time is October 29th, 2025. It is a Wednesday, and there will be sessions in Japanese, English, and Indonesian languages, and it will begin at 4 p.m. The first session will be at 4 p.m. from 4 to 4:45. The second session will be the same day from 5 to 5:45 in Japanese, Thai, and Vietnamese. That means it will be a 15-minute session for each of the languages. That means it should be from 4 to 4:15 Japanese, from 4:15 to 4:30 English, from 4:30 to 4:45 Indonesian. And likewise for the second one, it will be 5 to 5:15 in Japanese, 5:15 to 5:30 in Thai, and 5:30 to 5:45 in Vietnamese. So if you are looking for the English round, then definitely you have to be there between 4:15 and 4:30. And there will be another day on the 31st of January 2026, which is a Saturday. If Wednesday doesn't work for you because it's a working day, then you can choose this one as well. It's a Saturday. And the session will be the third and fourth sessions. Again, same time, 4 to 4:45 in Japanese, English, Indonesian, and 5 to 5:45 in Japanese, Thai, and Vietnamese. So there will be 4 sessions of this same seminar, and each session provides the same information. So if you are attending one session, you need not attend another session. So it will be given in Zoom. So it will be a Zoom meeting. So either you use a web version of the Zoom on your laptop or computer, or you can install the Zoom app on your mobile phone, have a login, and then you should be able to join this seminar. Who can attend this seminar? Foreign nationals of age 18 or older can attend. About the specified skilled worker system. Specified skilled worker is a status of residence created for foreign nationals who wish to work in Japan. And this is the same information that I just read out, that there are 16 fields in SS1 category, and in SSW2 category there are 11 fields. Now what are those fields? Those fields may get updated, so I am not going to tell you those fields. You can join this seminar and you can explore by yourself. So information will be provided uh, regarding the fields which you can apply for and all the other information. So see here, submit your participation application here. This is participation, means this is the application to attend this seminar. So use the 2D barcode on the right. So this is the barcode, or this is the QR code, you can say. This is the code that you have to use to register. So application deadline for the first and the second is October 22. So today is 14th October. So you just have 8 more days to go. So do register quickly. And yeah, so October 22nd is the last date to register for the October 29th session, and January 24th is the last date to register for the 31st January session. So do this quickly. I am also going to do that so that I can also get some information, and in case you miss the webinar, then I should be having the information I will share on this channel about what information they provided. The contact information is here. Specified skilled worker system, information seminar secretariat, Rhino Connect Inc. Email is tokuteigino at plan-sms.co.jp. Use the 2D barcode on the right to contact us. So this barcode is for contacting them. So don't get confused between the barcodes for the registration. So the right hand side barcode is for registering for this webinar, which we are intending to do. And the left side barcode is to contact the specified skilled worker system secretariat. So that is not needed as of now. And this is finally the Immigration Services Agency support website for the specified skilled worker system is this barcode. And these are the social media barcodes for checking them out on the X and the Facebook. So this all information has been provided so far. So to summarize, you have to register before October 22nd using this barcode to be able to attend the October 29th seminar, either this one or this one. And if you are looking for the English version, then it should be between 4:15 and 4:30 if they follow this order. So that's it. And if you are really interested to migrate to Japan and work there with the qualification that you have, then this is for you. Don't miss this opportunity to get more information, because what happens, on the internet also you will have lot many information, but the official, the authentic sources of information are always is always something that you should look forward to. So when they are giving a seminar, that means they will give you some genuine information, and maybe they are going to take people as well. That's the reason why they are giving this seminar. So despite all the anti-immigration protests and all, the positive thing is that the SSW seminar is going to happen, and there are possibilities that they will be providing visas to under this category. So with that, we come to an end of this video. So we discussed about the free webinar that is going to be hosted by the Embassy of Japan, New Delhi on October 29th and January 31st. So be there online, and rest will follow. Thank you for watching this video. To get more information, stay tuned on this channel. And if you have any questions, you can write an email to saraljapani@gmail.com, and we shall be happy to reply to you. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Matai masho.